London Fog.
Birthday.
Okay.
Rachel's pizza, which
With
also has salsa. And James's Oreo.
All right, those look interesting. We have a special vlog for you this week. We are headed down to Portland for my sister-in-law Rachel's birthday. Rachel and Josiah live in the downstairs unit of our house, so we are still staying in quarantine as we see each other every day, but we're quarantining in the car on our way down to Portland. So let me introduce you to everybody. So this is James.
Hi.
He is Rachel's husband. We've got Kim, you know her, and then Rachel,
Hey.
the birthday girl. And Kim, why don't you tell us what it is we're going to Portland for?
Yeah, so three of the four people in this car are vegan, and the three of us really enjoy good restaurant prepared vegan food. And so Portland has some of the best vegan restaurants in Pacific Northwest, and we are on a little bit of a food journey. So we're leaving here around 11, and we're going to stop at Burgerville on the way down. They have vegan milkshakes, which I love because you can't get a vegan milkshake anywhere in the county where we live. So we'll stop there, Burgerville, to get vegan milkshakes, and then once we get into Portland, we'll see kind of what everyone's hungry for and what's open for takeout, and then go from there. So we're excited to have you along with us on our vegan eats journey for Rachel's 27th birthday.
Alrighty, so let's get to some vegan food. See you down there. Alright, we've made it to our first vegan food stop, Burgerville in, where are we, Chehalis?
Yes.
And so Kim, why did we pick Burgerville?
Burgerville is one of the only fast food restaurants that makes vegan milkshakes. So what I have here is a strawberry bliss milkshake from Burgerville. They usually have maybe 4 or 5 standard options and then one seasonal option. It has coconut and whipped cream on the top as well. So I'm pretty excited to have a vegan milkshake. I think Rachel maybe got the chocolate version.
It's chocolate, and it is delicious and amazing.
Okay, what else did you guys get?
Some French fries.
French fries. More French fries. They're really crispy. Well seasoned.
And then James, I think, got the burger option from here, the vegan burger option.
Is he the only burger?
With some vegan waffle fries. So there's a few options here at Burgerville. There's another Burgerville, I think, just right on the Washington side of the border, and then there's a few in Oregon as well, in Portland as well. So if you happen to be vegan and you're looking for a milkshake or a few other options, fast food style, Burgerville for you.
All right, James, why don't you give us your opinion on the burger?
For a bean patty burger, it is pretty delicious. I would recommend getting some ketchup on it though. I did not, and I'm regretting that.
All right. Okay, next stop, Portland, and for dinner, I believe we're getting pizza tonight. So we will show you what our favorite pizza place is when we go down to Portland. So see you down there. All right, guys, we have made it down to Portland, and Kim has found us a little donut shop with donut and ice cream. It is apparently homemade ice cream and donuts, and it is all vegan. I will show you. Here, let's get you over here. It's called the Dough Donut. Walk across the street without dying here. So, Kim, what kind of donuts did you get for us?
I got the Portland Fog, which is an Earl Grey with some sort of whipped cream and some other kind of cream, and it's very delicious. I've had it before, and I'm definitely looking forward to it.
Alright, what else did you get?
Rachel, which ones did you order?
I got birthday cake and pineapple pizza, so it's more on the savory side,
And the birthday one, of course, because it's your birthday.
obviously.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, birthday cake seems very fitting. James, did you get a donut?
Oh, I did. I got a cookies and cream because I love cookies and cream.
And cream. Alright. And Kim, these are vegan?
They are. They're all vegan. They also have
vegan beverages if you want coffee, tea, something like that, and then they have vegan ice cream in there as well.
All right, so I believe we are going to take these down to a park and enjoy them at a park. So we will show you what they look like when we get down to the park, and hopefully it will be less traffic noise down there. We've made it to the park where we are going to eat our donuts, and I got cookies. And so supposedly this park has a lake somewhere around here, and we're trying to find our way that direction. But what park is this, Kim?
This is Laurelhurst Park in Portland. I don't know how many acres it is, but it's fairly big. There's a lot of people here, but people are spread out and not congregating too much. It's really nicely shaded. There's lots of mature trees and beautiful flowers. It's pretty lovely.
Yeah, so like she said, there's a decent amount of people. Hard to find parking around the outskirts of the park, but we did find a spot, so we snagged it, and we're gonna go find a nice spot, and we'll show you what our donuts look like. Alright, here they are. Looks like this one
London
is
Fog
London Fog.
birthday.
Okay.
Rachel's Pizza, which
With
also has salsa. And James's Oreo.
Alright, those look interesting. Let's see how they taste. So it's supposed to taste like pizza.
Pineapple pizza is the name. Oh. Mostly just tasting the sweet right now. The pineapple. Very pineapple-y with the frosting.
Taste any pizza taste?
There's
Not
like the
really.
red pepper flakes on it. But not like a ton of pizza.
Alright.
But you haven't got
But I haven't got to the middle weird.
Yeah, I almost feel like you need to like spread some of that middle out on the sides. Maybe.
Just go for it. Next bite.
Big bite. She missed.
No, I got a little bit. I don't know that I like it.
Alright. There we
I
go.
want to, but I
Savory
just don't think
donuts, not a thing.
We're gonna do the London Fog,
Okay.
which I think I like because I think I've had it before.
Or she had it before and she can't remember if she liked it.
Cream in her nose
Mm.
right away.
Nice. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, it's delicious.
So what's London Fog taste like?
It tastes like your favorite cup of tea combined with a scone, combined with some whipped cream.
Does it have like
It's sweet, but like warm. It's subtle.
vanilla-y or like?
There's notes of vanilla, but it does definitely taste like Earl Grey.
Okay.
Okay, James.
Earl Grey tea. Okay, here we go. Cookies and cream, classic.
Has to be expected. It tastes like an Oreo made into a donut.
Oreo made into a donut. If you don't know James, James loves his Oreos. He puts them in a bowl and fills the bowl with milk and eats them like their cereal. Rachel, first one was a bust. Let's see if birthday cake is any good.
I think it's supposed to have cotton candy frosting and birthday cake chunks on
Yes.
it, I think. So, we'll see. It was amazing. It was way better.
You know what it's missing?
A candle.
Smarties.
Oh, true.
If anybody
Well-
knows Rachel, all of her birthday cakes have Smarties on them.
I mean, the sour would be pretty nice.
So Kim picked out the Airbnb for us this weekend. I thought I'd give you a little tour of what it's like, and we'll put a link down below on being able to find it if you choose to use this Airbnb in the future. So let's just go for a little tour. So this is what it looks like when you walk in the front door. It is surprisingly large inside. It is a 2-bedroom. Walk into the living room. And like a second living room area. Giant dining room area. And here we have the kitchen. Nice and large. Out of the kitchen, through this other door. There's a ton of doors in this place. We got the bathroom here, the toilet, and a shower tub. Oh, let's go this way. Oh. Tub. Window outside. Alright. Back down the hall. We have the first bedroom. A very large bed. Little closet in here. Pretty basic. There was a TV in there if you chose you needed a TV in your room in that closet. And then the second bedroom, right here. Another TV in this room. So, plenty of TVs for them who like the TV in their room, and a little closet. Cute little closet here. Let's look out the window. What do we got? Got a very small backyard. Alright. There it is. Again, I will link down below to how to find this place if you find yourself in Portland looking for a cute little Airbnb. Alright, we decided with Rudy's Pizza. This is one of Kim's favorite vegan pizza places down in Portland. And they also make non-vegan pizzas if you have people in your party that are non-vegan that don't want it. But me being non-vegan, I would recommend you go ahead and just embrace your vegan friends and join them in this pizza because it tastes just as good as a non-vegan stuff. So let's take a peek at what we got. So this one is the Ninja. It's supposed to be the pepperoni and pineapple with jalapeno. They were out of pepperoni, so they ended up doing sausage and pineapple with jalapeno. This one is the cheese bread. This is a pesto cheese bread. It's got some sauces for dipping. Then we have the bacon jalapeno cheese bread. And finally, we have the chicken bacon Alfredo pizza. Okay, we've got our pizza all plated up. As you can see, everybody is super excited and their stomachs are way, or their eyes are way bigger than their stomachs because, well, actually, Rachel didn't load up her plate as much as normal.
No.
But she still won't be able to finish that. No. Okay, so what'd you get, Rachel? Did you get everything?
I have a little bit of everything. Literally one thing of everything.
Perfect. Kim?
I did the Caesar salad, 1 wing, and then this is my favorite bread, which I absolutely love, so I got 2 slices of that, and then I wanted to try this other kind of cheese bread.
And can you tell us what kind of cheese you like on these? Because I hear there's multiple types of cheese you can get on them.
Yes, so Rudy's Gourmet Pizzeria here in Portland offers 3 types of cheese. You could do Daya or Daya, which I don't know why anyone would. Just kidding, some people like that. Or you could do Follow Your Heart, or you can do Violife. And we chose to do Violife, although the Follow Your Heart is pretty good too. But Violife is my favorite.
Alright, and then there's my plate at the end with all of the pizza flavors, but no salad, because I don't eat salad. And then James here, did you get one of everything?
One of everything.
Okay, alright, chow down. Pizza was good, and we decided we're going to take a little trolley around town spend our evening and see what is closed, I guess, since everything's closed. So we jumped on the blue line and we're going across the Willamette River, and then we will switch over to the green line and head up to Northwest Portland. So Kim is very familiar with Northwest Portland because she went to school up here.
I did.
So we are just riding the trolley.
We're wearing our masks, we're keeping our distance, and we're sanitizing our hands.
Good Samaritan School
Where I
of
went to
Nursing.
school.
So we tried to take the trolley back and found out that the trolley stops running before it hit our stop. So we found some Lime scooters and we're scootering back, hopefully. It took a minute to find some scooters that would run, but here we go. We're gonna stay on the bike path. Lead the way on the bike path. So much faster for you lighter people. That ended up being a tougher ride than we thought. There was a no ride zone that we didn't realize near our up on the street we were looking at. So we ended up riding too far east, I guess it was, and then started riding south, and we were in a no ride zone. So we were using scooters that did not have any electric assist. So we figured that out after a couple blocks and made our way back to the ride zone and rode down and had to walk a few blocks back to the apartment. But it was a good day and we had a lot of fun, so we're gonna call it a night. If we end up picking up any other vegan food places tomorrow, I will add that to the end here. Otherwise, this will be the end of our Vegan Food Portland road vlog. So hope you enjoyed. Let me know if this is something you want me to do more of, and we can try this in the future. Thanks for watching.